Having trouble updating YouTube on your LG Smart TV? It's a common error, but I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, let's look at the error itself within the LG Content Store. It usually gets stuck right during the update process. Grab your remote and press the home button to return to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate up to the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Inside Settings, scroll down and select the Support menu. Go to Quick Help, then select Device Self-Diagnosis to let the TV refresh its internal app states. If that doesn't clear it, try a soft reset. This is a simple but effective way to clear the app's temporary memory. Hold the home button on your remote for 5 seconds until the dashboard reloads. This resets the home dashboard environment. Now, go back into the LG Content Store to try the update again. Search for YouTube. You should see the app icon appear in the results immediately. If the update button still shows an error, don't worry. We have one more deeper fix to try involving your home settings. Navigate to General Settings. Be careful here. Do not select Factory Reset. We want to avoid erasing your data. Go to System, then Additional Settings, and toggle Home Settings off and back on to reset the app cache. Now hit Update. The loading bar should complete this time, and you'll be back to streaming in no time. If this fix worked for you, please drop a comment below to help others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.